Hi everyone, in this video I will explain you how to limit the dates in the slicer so that they only display the dates that are available in the order table. In the date table I have a date range is 2020 to 2023, but in the order table I will show you the maximum date is 29th November 2021. So the first thing we will do is we have create a calculated column. The name is calculated column slicer restriction. I have already created. So in this, if date table date is less than equal to maximum order date, so it's give a yes. Otherwise, give no. So we go just click the date slicer and drag and drop the slicer restriction calculated column, and here we will select the yes option. So now you can see the slicer maximum date is the same as the date of the order table, and it is automatically updated as a new data is added to the order table. Thank you.